I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to stay updated on your Discover transactions, enabling alerts is a great way to keep track. Here is how to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Discover website or open the mobile app and log in with your credentials. This is your gateway to managing your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Settings or Profile section. This is where you can manage your preferences, including alerts. Step 3. Select Alert Preferences. Look for an option labeled Alerts or Notifications. Here, you can customize what types of alerts you want to receive regarding your transactions. Step 4. Enable Transaction Alerts. Toggle on the alerts for transactions. You may have options for different types of alerts such as purchases, payments, or suspicious activity. Make sure to select the ones that suit your needs. Step 5. Save your changes. After selecting your preferences, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. If you miss this step, your settings won't take effect. Now you're all set to receive alerts on your Discover transactions. Keeping track of your spending has never been easier. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.